Hey guys.
You don't like earrings? You like earrings?
Try to look happy. Nathan is like, I am supremely happy. Oh my god, if I drop this in the water, I didn't even think about that.
Going on YouTube?
I don't know. There's nothing funny about it at all. It's dumb, stupid. Wait. I just wanted to see the whole.
Shout out to all my fans.
Yeah, to all my fans. And then there's, well, and then there's that guy there.
I could go for a hot dog.
That was random, but alright.
There was actually a hot dog stand on the way there.